Here I have a KTM replica Stacyc electric balance bike. Here at our store we carry two different models. We carry the 12 eDRIVE and the 16 eDRIVE. They also have a lithium ion battery, which is super easy to remove and put back on. And with both models, it usually takes roughly around 45 to 60 minutes for a full charge. These bikes have three modes available for them in speed. They have training, transitional, and advanced mode. For the 12E bike, we have training mode tops out at 5 miles per hour. The transitional mode goes up to 7 miles per hour, and the advanced mode goes up to 9 miles per hour. Now as for the 16 eDRIVE, for the training mode, we are at 5 miles per hour. For the transitional mode, they go up to 7.5 miles per hour. And for the advanced mode, we top out at 13 miles per hour. I'm going to show you, parents, how to adjust the different modes and speeds so you can adjust it for your kid whenever they hop on. Now if you want your kid to watch, you can. If not, that's up to you. So, to adjust the speed, what you're going to want to do is pull down on the throttle all the way, hold it down, turn on the bike. You will get a yellow light that's going to pop on a few times, and you're going to hear a beep that'll come up. Now once you hear that, you're going to have all three colors pop up, red, yellow, and green. And from there, you can adjust the throttle to different colors. Red means training, yellow means transitional, and green means advanced. So once you decide which mode you want to stick on to, you hold it in that mode for a few seconds until it beeps. Now once you hear that beep, you'll want to then let go of the throttle. All three colors will pop up again, and then you have it set to whatever mode you have it.